In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Asana with Slack. Full 2025 guide, 5 minutes. By the end, your Asana project updates will flow straight into Slack so your team can see tasks, comments, and status changes without switching tabs. Start by opening Asana and signing in. Enter your email, click Continue, and then enter your password to log in. If your organization uses single sign-on or two-factor authentication, complete those prompts as usual. Quick reminder, only enter your own credentials on the official Asana site and never share passwords. Once you're on your Asana home screen, open the specific project you want to connect to Slack. Pick the project where Slack notifications will be most helpful. Think team stand-ups, product backlogs, or any space where rapid updates matter. Inside the project, look for the Customize button near the top. Click it, then open the Apps section. This is where Asana's integrations live and where you control how the project talks to other tools. Click Add to browse available apps and choose Slack. Select Add to Project to begin linking this project with Slack. This ensures only the updates from this project go to Slack, keeping your channels focused and noise-free. Next, click Connect to Slack. You'll see a permissions screen. Click Allow permissions so Asana and Slack can share information securely. These permissions let Asana create notifications and, when you choose, post to a channel on your behalf. You'll be taken to Slack's sign-in flow. Type your Slack account email and click Continue. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're signing into the correct one for this project. Follow the prompts to complete the connection. Slack may ask you to confirm the workspace, approve app access, and choose where notifications should appear. During the prompts, you'll typically pick a Slack channel or a direct message with yourself. Channels are great for team visibility, while a DM is perfect for personal reminders. You can also tailor what gets posted: new tasks, completed tasks, comments, or status updates. Choose only what your team truly needs to reduce notification fatigue. When you finish the prompts, the integration is active. From now on, activity in that Asana project will post to the selected Slack destination. If you want to tweak settings later, return to the project's Customize panel, open apps, and adjust or remove Slack as needed. If you run into permission errors, check with your Slack or Asana admin to ensure the app is allowed. That's it. Your Asana project is now connected to Slack. Repeat these steps for any other projects you want to bring into your channels.